Hello, welcome to CEO Insights, the Living Organization podcast. With me is Ronak Patel from Sunflower Lab. Welcome.
Yeah, thank you for having me here.
It's a pleasure, Ronak. So Ronak is the CEO of a company, software development. But Ronak, why don't you describe your company in just a few words so we know what you do?
So we started in 2011. In many years, we started a software development company, building a lot of solutions across the different verticals. And primarily, we have been doing is a custom software development. And today, we'd like to talk a little bit more on building the new solution based on the platform.
Oh, wonderful. Yeah, and I've read your website, a lot of AI, a lot of really up-to-date business applications. We already talked about a very important topic that sometimes we have a problem in how software companies are perceived and how the customers are treating them. Tell us what is the major issue right now in the industry.
So major issue, what we are seeing is the new way of solution building are going toward utilizing the platforms. No more a custom software, just a one-off build for one organizations. We are seeing the repeatability and scalability across the board. And even any of the different tools, either your ERP or CRM or any kind of the automations tools you're seeing, there are a lot of platform being utilized, and based on the platform, you are building applications which is more suitable to your organization. So shifting from custom software to building based on the platform is a bigger shift we are seeing right now.
And what's the biggest, tell us what are the top 3 challenges of this shift?
Yeah, so first one I will speak is a mindset. So when I say the mindset is a project versus a platform or product mindset, when someone is trying to look some digital solution for their organizations, they or even the service provider like us, when they are talking to the customer, you're not looking very unique need of theirs, but you're also looking as a business viability. As a IT organizations, they are looking cheaper, more scalable, more repeatable type of solutions where they can kind of go across the different board, and they say this is the platform can serve a different needs with a little bit customization, and that is the mindset openness. So you're not starting something, say this is the platform gives you, and here's the things you could do, here is the things you could be customizing. So that's the number one. So project versus product, because you need to see the long-term vision of the product. The project is a smaller horizon, not like too long from year or 5 years from now. So that's the mindset is the number one. Second thing is everyone is unique. Every organization unique, but when we seeing the multiple organization across in the similar industries or the weight, the type of the business they do, they have 95% of similarities in a way they do actually conduct the business. That will be a variation. So when you are talking to the service providers like us, when we are building the solution for them, in mind, you need to really see across the board where the 90% things are a focus, where we can fix it, we can fix your problem. That means if you are trying to do, you could be a bigger size organization and you can force your vendor who is providing a platform and mend their ways with, hey, we need your, like maybe AI models, your platform need to be banned because of our unique need. What you're doing is not building the long-term relationship, and the platform provider's responsibility to think about 12 months, 24 months, 36 months ahead of the time, and your platform need innovations. And when you're taking a different path for your organizations of some unique customization or changing a model or the behavior of the underlying platform, you will be deprived for those innovations down the road. And that's some things you want to keep very much stay aligned with that, and you want to be stay onboarded with the platform and try to minimize the different customizations and maybe change the way you run your business a little bit, right? As we are saying, the most are common thing. And the third one is, I would say, relationship. When you are buying the customer software, your investment is a huge amount of the money when you are building the large scale solution, and you're not trying to, whatever you build for a year or 18 months from here, you're gonna keep it, and you're gonna be, your money investment will kind of like stay focused, and you're trying to tune it to make it work. But when you are building using a platform, if the relationship is an investment here, because your platform providers expecting that, yes, you're not investing a lot of money with them. You probably spending 1/10 of the money you may be on a platform, but they need a collaborative environment. They need a support. They also need a partner they can invest into you, and you want your platform providers or partner to be successful down the road. Otherwise, their business may not be viable down the road. And then openness of mindset from the customer is a unique, uniquely needed here. It's just not thinking about just like, hey, this is our idea. You are trying to make not your own company, but the entire industry to be trying to better. You are trying to build a platform where even your competitor could be take advantage, but so do you will get from your competitors the ideas, the way industry need a better platform for your needs. And it's a win-win situation for platform providers or this software company like Sunflower, who is building on a platform. They also need a lot of guidance of the industry, and is a win-win situation. So
Thank you so much, Ronak. We're out of time, but I really appreciate the succinctness. I appreciate the depth of your wisdom here, and we'll have you back again. We'll go deeper, but thank you so much for today.
thank you for having me here.